Hello traders, it's been a long time guys. I was in Dubai enjoying time. I'm setting up a trading floor in Dubai. We'll give you more information very soon. So today is the 28th of March 2023 and let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. All right, so since the market opened or bias was long, we really enjoyed it. Even today, this morning, since it's Asian session, we've been long here. Once the market broken, we were taking all pullbacks long. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. So you can see here, even at the Asian session, that was the sign as explained to my trader, look for this pullback. So technically we were expecting a possibility of reversal because the price was at this level. But as you can see here, price broken, we trade what we see it. First target hit after it's banking some profit. As explained to trader, look for another pullback. We have another two pullbacks. After that, we can see here based on this analysis, bank some profit. And at the New York session, we had another beautiful pullback. You can see here, price nicely developed pullback. Beautiful trade, bank amazing profit on Euro USD. All right, let's move into the pound dollar cable. We had amazing long trade here. And if you look at the 4-hour chart based on the analysis as explained, if the price broken this one, price nicely broken this resistance, and after that we had this confirmation, beautiful long trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. Beautiful trade, guys. Okay, so if you look at the Asian session analysis, you can see it, that was a pretty straightforward breakout, beautiful long trade here. After banking some profit, we have another beautiful pullback. You can see here, price developed pullback. And after that, as you can see here, this morning, as explained, if the price was at around this level, and as explained, look for pullback. If you don't see pullback, breakout, or after this breakout, if price develop any pullback, just keep taking it. So you can see here, price nicely broken this level, beautiful breakout, short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what explained my trader bank some profit. After banking some profit, price impulsively reverse, as you can see here. And afterwards, as explained to my trader, price should stay below this level, as you can see at this level. And if you don't see price break, but if the price develop a pullback, that's another beautiful trade as mentioned here in the analysis. You can see, especially when the price develop a double bottom here at the support level, and that's we announced look for another pullback, beautiful even breakout, and afterwards price nicely developed long trade here, bank amazing profit. Dollar CAD, beautiful trade, guys, beautiful short trade or bias was short, pretty straightforward. Let me explain. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we had this beautiful short trade here at the Asian session, and we had also had a counter long trade here, and afterwards we also had a short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Okay, so if you look at the intraday analysis, that was the pretty straightforward. You can see here, yesterday we had this beautiful pullback short trade here, bank amazing profit. Even at the Asian session, we explained and look for another pullback. And at the London morning session, once the price developed, respected the support level, counter long trade here, you can see here, as soon as the price hit this level, bank few PPs after banking some profit. So guys, let's wait for another structure. Price develop another structure, beautiful breakout. After this breakout, another pullback. Even when the price at this level, I also updated that analysis just to make sure trader don't miss that opportunity. As you can see, as explained here, another analysis. If the price gonna break this level, keep taking a pullback, or if the price gonna break, then long here. You can see here, price nicely broken this level as mentioned here in the analysis. Beautiful breakout, price nicely hit to the profit target, which is the 200 EMA in 4-hour and the support level. That's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. If you are still struggling, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live market. For more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Thank you.